Hey guys, so it's me, Kiana. In today's video, I'm taking you back to the hair salon with me because we're going to get this stuff here colored. Now, when I say color, I think we're doing more so a rinse, but I'm not sure exactly what my stylist has come up with. Since my last video, I took you guys to the salon when we were doing the Aphogee treatment. So far I've had 3 Aphogee treatments. We've kind of gotten my hair to stop shedding so much, and now what I'm left with is splotches of blonde, just splotches, like not really a complete connection. I really want my hair to kind of connect. I also am we're probably going to do a trim on it because, again, when a lot of the hair was shedding, it did seem to have shed in one specific area, and that has kind of given me gaps in my hair. So we're going to go to the salon. We're going to let Miss Jeannie work her magic, and you know what, as always, I'm going to take you guys along with me. So hang on, let's get to the salon. All right guys, here's Miss Jeannie. Hey, I want her hair color. Don't y'all want her hair color? So can you tell them, we've had a little conversation on how we're going to mend this hair color. Let's just say that, mend it. So
well, we're just gonna do a really nice blend out to eliminate the extra light blonde areas that are at the very tips of her hair, which are providing see-through. So we're just gonna do a really nice blend all the way down on a 10 volume, and we're doing a really beautiful chocolate mocha color. So we are gradually just gonna be deepening down her natural tone, no lift at all, and blending out to the ends. Now, what is light, ladies and gentlemen? You go, okay, what's light always stays light. It never, unless you go with black, you're always gonna have some tonal difference, but that gives you a very nice natural look. So when the light catches it, we're actually gonna make this a very nice, beautiful chocolate brown. So it's just gonna kind of blend in. This is just gonna deepen down just a little bit, and we're gonna come out to the end, but we are going to eliminate all of the blonde. So making this hair look thicker.
Yay. And after all that work and struggle to get it blonde, and we're deepening it back.
Almost. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we are gonna start at the ends key, and we're gonna move our way up to the blonde, and then we'll go in, and whenever I'm finished applying to this area, and then we'll go in and tap the root. We're only deepening the root a little bit, but we want to get full coverage on this blonde, okay?
All right. You remember those pieces that were around the edge? Look, they gone, girl, look.
Yep. The good thing is that you have growth all over
I know.
So that's a huge plus.
They're coming back.
Yeah, so that's a huge plus.
Yeah.
And just, this will help seal your hair down a little bit. And there's a seamless blend from root to end on that. But you see what I'm saying? Like, you
so see it? Pretty, oh my God.
We've still got a ways to go in this area here, but you see how that is, how much thicker that is, and how most of that is going all the way to the ends.
Hey. All right guys, and I am back home. Look at this color. Can you see the dimension in this hair color? Like, I literally look like I have a head full of hair, and all we used on it were my Mixed Chicks products, as you've already seen in the video. And she did just spray this new stuff in it, this Kenra, which is really not a hairspray, but it's kind of a texturizing spray, so it gives the hair a little bit more shall we say. So yeah, I'm excited about the color. Now I have it all mended down. I have some new hair extensions that I haven't shown you guys, so that's going to actually fit in, so I can feel me wanting to wear my natural hair a little bit more frequent. So I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it 2 thumbs up. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I have no idea what you're waiting on. Click that subscribe button to never miss another upload. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.